Hello all, welcome to the new session. In this session, I am going to explain you about the business area creation and what is meant by a business area. Okay, business area is nothing but a branch of a company. Okay, this is ABCDE is a group of companies. Under this group of companies, there is one segment called ABC Technologies. In this ABC Technologies, there is a branch that is called as business area. Okay, and we should create business area under this group of companies. Like all business area can be created under this group of companies. Like why should we create a business area? Why should we create a business area? It is for branch wise profit and loss. For knowing branch wise profits and loss details, and also for branch wise sales details, branch wise expenses details, percentage of branch wise profit and loss, and also internal reporting can be done. Like you could know like a branch wise profit and loss for each and every individual branch. Okay, and you can know like only for particular branch you could know, like for a particular business area you could retrieve sales details and expenses details. Okay, and also percentage branch wise profit and loss, and also for this particular branch you can do internal reporting separately. Okay, you got the point. And the T code which we use for creation of business area is OX03. Okay, now I am doing the configuration in the SAP. Let's give OX03, hit enter. Here you could see all old business areas which was created by other users. Now let's click on the new entries. We have already ABC technologies. Okay, it is a business area. ABCT is a business area, for example, and we are giving this business area to group of companies ABCDE. Business area for Hyderabad. Okay, now let's create creation of business area. Click on save. You could see data was saved. Okay, now let's verify whether it has been created or not. Once again give OX03, click on the position, give the business area ABCT, hit enter. Here you could see ABC Technologies has been a business area under ABCDE in the location of Hyderabad. Okay, I hope you guys have understood how to create a business area in SAP enterprise structure. I request you guys to give a like if you would like my explanation, and share this video to your friends who are willing to learn SAP, and please subscribe my videos for upcoming sessions. Thank you. Have a good day.